So welcome to another how-to video. In today's video we're going to be covering the glove box, how to replace this glove box latch, what's involved, the part numbers, and also how to reinforce it. Unfortunately this video only covers left-hand drive vehicles, but for my right-hand drive viewers out there, keep on watching because it does actually show you how to reinforce the bit that breaks so that it lasts longer and hopefully won't break, so you won't have to actually buy a whole glove box just because the latch is broken. There are people out there that may not even realize that you can actually buy this latch separately and that they go and replace the whole glove box at maybe 2 or 3 times the price of what it actually costs to buy the bit that's broken. So in this video we're going to be covering all of those avenues. It's quite a short video. Subscribe, support the channel, ding-a-ling-a-ling, ring that bell for notifications, and okay, let's get on with it. Okay, so the first thing you do is you move that little white slot from left to right and it drops it down. You pull it down, then you kind of push, take these little clips off each side and it drops down. Then there's 5 screws. There's 3 up here and 2 on the lower part. And that's it. Then you just tilt it forward, drop it down. You've got these 3 little hooks that hooks it up to there, and that's it. Pretty simple. This is the shorter one. It's got AC, so the non-AC ones are deeper. Okay, so let's move it to the bench now. So we've got this on the bench now. This is the bit that's broken, so this is the bit we need to remove. You come around there, you see there's 2 screws in here. And with a small Phillips screwdriver, just go in here, just remove those. What you need to get is the trim tool, kind of put it there and just lever it off. There you go. And it just pops out. So this is the bit you need to replace. Okay, so as you can see here, hopefully, I've actually put some hard glue resin in this hollow bit to reinforce it, so it makes it less likely to break. So that's always a good tip, is get some glue, some resin glue that sets hard, not flexible glue, and just kind of just pour it into here, let it set, and it just reinforces this bit because this is the bit that always breaks. Okay, so now literally just push it in. This clips into place. And just refit these 2 screws. Okay, so this completes another how-to video on the glove box, how to repair your glove box. So as you can see, it was quite straightforward. When you know what you're doing, there's no point buying a whole new glove box. Sometimes it can be more expensive. All you need to do is buy this part. The part number's here or here, and it costs on eBay, you can find them between 20 and 30 pounds or euros. It more or less fluctuates around that kind of price, and it's really easy. So subscribe, support the channel. There'll be loads more of how-tos and keeping up with the other projects on a weekly basis. Thank you very much. Keep safe.